Jai Hind, friends. Today, I will discuss various types of petitions or applications which can be filed before the NCDRC forum, which is the National Consumer Dispute Resolution Commission. The NCDRC receives its all powers from the Consumer Protection Act 2019, and this video is focusing more on the practicing side of the advocates, where you will get to know what kind of rights, what kind of powers NCDRC try to enforce in various types of petitions or the applications. So let's discuss this. सो एनसीडीआरसी में अगर हम ओरिजिनल जुरिस्डिक्शन की बात करें तो सबसे पहले कंज्यूमर कंप्लेंट इज द मेन थिंग, और जो पेक्यूनरी जुरिस्डिक्शन है वो ग्रेटर देन 2 CR है, एंड it is based on the consideration paid. It is very important to understand because 1986 के कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट में it is based on the values of the goods and services plus the claimed amount. But in the Consumer Protection Act 2019, it is the consideration paid for the goods or the services rendered. So it's very important. So those who wish to understand about the various stages after filing the consumer cases, you can get access to this video. So second type of petition, I would say, is the review petition. If you are not satisfied with the consumer complaint final order or any other specific order, then you can approach the same forum, NCDRC only, without going for the appeal before the Supreme Court. You file a review petition where you indicate any error apparent on the face of the order and seek appropriate remedy from the NCDRC forum. अभी हमने डिस्कस करा एक तरह से ओरिजिनल ज्यूरिसडिक्शन. लेट्स डिस्कस मोर अबाउट द एपिलेट ज्यूरिसडिक्शन. सो टिपिकली जैसे हमारे सिविल प्रोसीडिंग्स में वी हैव फर्स्ट अपील, सेकंड अपील. सिमिलरली इन द कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट आल्सो वी हैव द फर्स्ट अपील एंड द सेकंड अपील jurisdiction in the NCDRC. First appeal would be related to an order passed by a state commission, and any party who were the part of the proceedings before the state commission can reach to the NCDRC under the first appeal proceedings. Then the second appeal refers to a scenario जिसमें first appeal तो state commission ने decide की, and the party still intends to challenge the order, appellate order of the state commission before the NCDRC in the form of second appeal. It is important to understand that second appeal must include the substantial question of law, otherwise it is going to be dismissed. Another appellate jurisdiction invoked by the NCDRC is of the CCPA appeal. The Consumer Protection Act has come out with a very new authority, which is a central protection authority, which protects the rights of the consumers as a class. And the powers of the central protection authority can prohibit the violators from doing activities which are violating the rights of the consumer as a class, and can even impose a penalty which can run into 50 lakhs also. So if you are not satisfied with the Central Protection Authority order, then the first forum available to appeal the CCPA order is the NCDRC. So coming to the revision petition, its scenario is almost similar to the second appeal, and it covers a particular scenario where the parties approach the state commission and they are not satisfied with the findings of the state commission, and one of the party has approached NCDRC and seeking appropriate remedy in the form of revision petition. Then another category of cases before the NCDRC are related to the execution. Normally, complainant generally considers कि मेरे को NCDRC का order मिल गया, and it will get automatically be enforced through the NCDRC, and opposite party will pay me accordingly as per the order. Generally, ideally it should happen, but generally ऐसा होता नहीं है. So the complainant or the party who has got a favorable order from the NCDRC, they have to move a execution application. So execution application, you are saying to the NCDRC forum that you received the particular order and you want to seek execution of this order through the NCDRC. So accordingly, NCDRC proceedings will happen in the execution application so that you will get the final due amount from the opposite party. Similar to the first appeal and second appeal, you have an appeal execution where the orders passed by the state commission in the execution proceedings, you wish to challenge it before the NCDRC, that would be categorized or classified as an appeal execution. Similar to revision petition, you have a execution revision petition where the execution proceedings before the district consumer forum were challenged before the state consumer forum, and then the parties were not satisfied and they approached the NCDRC in the form of execution revision petition and seeking appropriate remedy in the execution proceedings. Lastly, this group of applications or petitions, I would say, we can classify in the miscellaneous category. One is the interlocutory application. This is generally filed along with the appeal or along with the consumer complaint. For example, IA for you file IA for exemption of filing certified copies, exemption from filing translations, and if you are in, you also wish, if you are also seeking stay in the matter or stay against some action of the state consumer forum or NCDRC, you intend to file a IA application. Miscellaneous applications before NCDRC are filed in matter which are filed in matters where the main matters has already been disposed of, but still you are seeking some remedy in the main matter and try to put life again in the already disposed of matter. It could be a consumer complaint, it could be an appellate proceedings, it could be an execution proceedings. So such kind of cases will be covered in the miscellaneous application. And the next category, miscellaneous application without original case, when you do not have any already disposed of course or any already reference where you wish to rely upon, you will file such kind of application. 12th is the caveat petition. Those who are practicing civil litigation are very well aware that you do not want to get, you don't want your opposite party to get any order without your presence. So that's why you file the caveat petition in the NCDRC. And lastly, transfer petitions. So transfer petitions, the scope of transfer petition is a particular state commission say you wish to get it transferred from the another state commission. So then you will be filing the transfer petition before the NCDRC. So I fairly believe that these are the various kinds of petitions or applications which the NCDRC regularly hear. And in case if you have any specific question regarding your requirement, you can write to us at info@nyaytantra.com or call us at 991009285. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned to this channel for other updates. Jai Hind.